Okay, here's a little, I don't know, cheat code or whatever if you're hooking up a rough country DITCHLIGHT kit to your 2024 Tacoma. So, no matter what AI says or what any information I can find online, this is your pigtail that comes with the truck, right? So this white wire is going to control the DRL lights, if that's the option you choose. The green is going to control the floodlight. Now these blue wires, if you ask AI or any kind of information you can find online, it says these control DRLs. They do not. They control floods. These two white wires control the DRLs for whatever reason. This is the switch that comes with the kit. Just as a reference in case you get the same switch. And ignore that. I was gonna tap into that hot, but that's something else. And this one here, this is the 15 amp, I believe, according to that paper. Yeah. So according to the paper, the black is a 15. So I utilized green for the flood and white for the DRLs. So hopefully that helps. Again, white 5 amp connected to the two white wires in the wiring harness. That controls your DRL, daytime running lights. Green, which is a 10 amp, controls the floodlights. I don't know why, it just does. And then obviously these are ground to your black, to your white wire with the black. Show it to you. It's got a black stripe on it. So that's your ground. So if you still want to hook another light source up, you still have, I think that's aux 1. This is aux 2, 3. Show you. Start it up. Give me a second. Oh, Jesus Christ. Now it won't start. It won't start because my window was down for some reason. Anyways. Check engine lights, so I'm going to push aux 3, like that. Controls DRLs. Out of aux 2. Controls the floodlights. Hard to see, but they're on. So if that helps you, I'm glad it worked. It took me a kind of here and there to get it going. Thank you. Hope it works out for you.